That's what I'm talking about. All right, we're gonna go from the orange boring headlights, yeah, to this. I'm tired of looking at that. I don't like the orange and white. I want all white. So I'm gonna get switchbacks installed on the Civics. All right, so where is it? Yeah, there it is. The corner. Oops. Dropped the phone. There it is. Boom. All right, now we're gonna install the LED lights on this one. I'm gonna go behind the bulb up here and take it off. There it is. Looks good. Sucks. It is as easy as that. I changed my blinkers without taking anything off or popping the hood. And what was the result? Let's see. I'll show you. I'm so excited. Yes. Matching headlights with the blinkers. OCD side of me is really happy. 10 to 10. Huh? Where's my steering wheel? Whatever. Alright, let's go see. Let's go see what it looks like. See? That's pretty cool. But that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna go future-proof this one so I can get LEDs in this one later. So I'm gonna take this thing. Let's see. There's hers. Same spot. Right there in the bottom. Yank that sucker out. I mean, you gotta be careful not to break nothing, but oof, that's dusty. There you go. And you have to stick yours in there. That spot. See? So there you go. Future-proofing the wipes, and the other one's already ready to go. Let's see how it looks with the blinker on. It's a little slow. Yeah, whatever. LED lights though. Follow